Brother, wag kang papadaya sa boksingerong Pinoy na ito. Bakit? Dahil sa unang tingin ay parang lalamunin lang talaga ito ni Naoya the Monster. Halos lumabas na kasi ng boxing ring. Isang segundo na lang, technical knockout na pero panoorin mong mabuti para itong isang Manuel Dinamita Marquez kung mag-recover. Tipong ginaya yung brutal na pagpapatulog kay Pacquiao dati. Ganito na style ang tatapos kay Naoya the Monster. Parang Marquez na malambot sa durugan ng buto. Pero sobrang bigat pala ng suntok, lehitimong goodbye talaga ang tatamaan at mahahagip nito. Legit! Ngayon ay kilalanin natin ang boxer na ito na hindi natin titignan ang kahit ano, ang aalamin lang natin kung paano niya magagawang pasukin ang kahinaan ni Naoya the Monster. Base kasi sa mga previous fight ni Naoya, napapadalas na ang pagbagsak nito. Nangangahulugan lang na ang paunti-unting pag-akyat nito ng timbang ay napakadelikado para sa kaniyang kalagayan. At ang pinaka nakakatakot dyan, kilala ito bilang cherry picker pagdating sa kalaban. Well, hindi naman niya ito kasalanan kundi ng kaniyang promoter. Pero balik tayo sa malaking problema ni Naoya pag-akyat niya sa mas mataas na dibisyon dahil ang nakaabang sa kaniya rito hindi sikat na boksingero pero delikado ang mga pinapakawalang suntok. Gaano kadelikado? Panoorin natin ito dahil yung suntok, pag tumama kay Naoya the Monster, paniguradong tulog pero yung taktika, yan ang ating kikilatisin. Simulan natin sa ating top number 5 sa listahan. Top number 5, gaano ba kabilis magpatulog ng kalaban si Vitor sa early? Ito bilangin nyo kung ilang segundo lang. Kita nyo, ano masasabi nyo kung si Naoya the Monster yan? Di ba ganyan ang mga nangyayari sa kaniya sa early? Bumabagsak kaagad si Naoya. Diretso tayo sa top number 4 para mas makilala pa natin kung gaano kalupit ito sa early.
Good counter. Good left hook there. By Virgel Vitor. It's important for Jericho to yun nga, to avoid being stuck like that. No, he must get out of the receiving end of Virgel Vitor's hooks.
Pero knowing
Hindi na tumayo, di ba? Garapal o ordinaryong tao lang? Real talk, alam ko kulang pa sa'yo yan. Syempre Naoya the Monster ang pinag-uusapan natin. Top number 3 tayo, walang sisihan sa mapapanood. Ha? Grabe yun, hindi kinaya ng referee, siya na mismo ang umayaw sa napanood niya malapitan. Pero ang tanong, bakit parang may kulang sa Pinoy? Anong kulang? Tignan mo tong sunod natin, kung di ka malula, top number 2.
Good. Maybe yes. Yeah. Like it.
And of round number 2.
Putik na yan para kung atakihin sa puso, brother. Real talk, kahit siguro pa tsamba lang nabitaw yan kay Inoue. Pag tumama yung ganong suntok, wala na, end of career talaga. Punta nga tayo sa top number 1. Ito ang pinaka-insights natin dyan, brother. Malambot si Vitor sa palitan. Tulad ng sinabi natin, parang si Dinamita Marquez, madaling bumagsak. Pero pag nakabalik, tulog ka talaga ng malala. Ito ang pinakamatindi sa lahat, ang ating top champion sa listahan. Pinakagustong gusto kong ginawa ni Vitor sa larangan ng boxing history.
Also the WBO Oriental champion as well. Good right hand there from Campi as we start round number 1. Feel like this is going to be another chess match now that we had a great chess match between Davronbek from Uzbekistan and Abdul from Tanzania. Abdul winning the vacant WBA Asia light heavyweight title. So Virgil, Vitor and Campi Payom duking it out now for the vacant WBC Asia silver super featherweight title. Jab to the body there from Virgil. The fighters having their own moments here in round number 1, exchanging good punches. Good left hook there from Virgil. And Campi rallying as well with his own right hand to the body, jab to the head and 2. Good jab and then right hook to the body from Campi. Jab from Virgil.
Forever is the strangest thing. It's shorter than you think. No think.
These two just a bit apprehensive to engage. Both breaking a stalemate with landing their own straight rights. Big clubbing left hook there from Campi, and that's got Virgil in a world of trouble. It looks like that shook the Filipino fighter, but I think he's just about recovered. Lands his own right hand and puts Campi off balance too momentarily. Right hand from Virgil again. Clubbing left hook there from Campi as both these two are very evenly matched. This is going to be a great fight, folks. Don't blink. Campi, right hand lands for the Thai fighter. Virgil with the jab. 10 seconds to go in round number 1. This has been an excellent opening round. Virgil already showing signs of bruising on his left thigh, and that's the end of round 1. Okay, here we go, round 2. So round 1 was a really hotly contested matchup between the two fighters. Let's see if they can carry that into round number 2. Both these two just bobbing and weaving. Right hand there from Vitor. Uppercut to the head into the body and back to the head again from Campi. Right hand there from Campi. Looks like he tried to catch Virgil with the left hook as well as he rallied forward, but just pulled it back. Chess match again between these two fighters in the squared circle. Jab there from Campi and a right hand too. Single shots being landed very effectively by the Thai fighter. Virgil just ducking down and the referee to break up the action, get a breather there, trying to re-strategize here. Virgil early on in round number 2. Oh, good left hook there from Virgil, who caught Campi flush on the chin. Good shots to the body and tripling up with the left hook and batting with the uppercut as well. Going back to the left hook here, Virgil turning the screws in round 2. Can he maintain this pace? Right uppercut and left hook twice in a row.
Brother, ano nakikita mo? Tulog o gising yung kalaban? Legit, di ba? Tulog. So ngayon, tatanungin kita, hindi ka pa rin bilib? Sige, eto na. Isa lang na natin yung pinakabastos na mapapanood natin sa kasaysayan ng karir ni Vitor. Paano ginawang afritada ng Pinoy ang Koreano?
Defending his title is Virgil Valiente Vitor. Partner, identical records tong dalawang ito, no? Both of them have 2 losses. Virgil Vitor slightly edging Dong Quan Lee in his wins, 19 wins and 12 KOs, while Dong Quan Lee has 16 wins and 7 knockouts.
I think this will be a tactical fight. Ulitin ko kung sino pwedeng magkamali ng una,
Right.
baka magkaroon ng alam mo na, partner.
Oo. And we all know that Virgil Vitor's plan is a knockout according to his interviews, ano?
And this Dong Quan Lee is not a pushover, partner.
You are right, ano? He has faced Filipinos in his career. His last fight, in fact, was against a Filipino, Romart Centillas, ano? Wherein he won via TKO.
Forever
But of
is the
course, Virgil
strangest
Vitor
thing.
is another,
It's shorter than you think.
is a different,
Sabi nga nila, Virgil Vitor is a different beast.
different beast. You nailed it, partner, no?
Siguro kailangan lang ang gawin ni Virgil Vitor is trying to be more patient and try to snap the jab. And
You're right. Very, very tense atmosphere here in Calape Complex.
And Dong Quan Lee is very, very, should I say, hindi mo siya mababasa, partner.
Right.
If he will try to outpunch you, or he might as well take the risk of trying to knock you down.
And solid defense also for Dong Quan Lee, you know. Meanwhile, Virgil Vitor, of course, is pumping his power jab.
Yes. I think, partner, that will be an very, very important punch on this fight. The jab
Right.
would probably set up the power punches of Virgil Vitor.
Because in this level, partner, no, it takes, kumbaga, kailangan i-conceal mo yung iyong intentions because
Yes.
both boxers have been through numerous wars, ano? It will really take, oh wow, good overhand by Virgil Vitor, but Dong Quan Lee took it standing up.
End of round number 1.
You are right, partner. We are entering the second round. This is the defense of John Virgil
Round number
Vitor
2.
against Dong Quan Lee of Korea.
On the flip side of the coin, partner, I think Dong Quan Lee must get the respect of Virgil Vitor. If both of them are just gonna trade a jab, I think we have a decided advantage for Vitor. Kailangan
You're
kasi
right.
masaktan niya yung Vitor para respetuhin siya.
Because we all know John Virgil Vitor, it takes a huge amount of power to discourage Virgil Vitor, ano?
Nakita natin, partner, si Dong Quan Lee very fluid din siya, no?
You are right. Oo.
and-
Madulas. Mahirap din tamaan.
And he has a lot of different kind of combination punches na binibigay din niya.
Wow. That was a quick short by Dong Quan Lee. Answered by a fast straight by Virgil Vitor. Partner with equal skills. How do you outpoint or how do you outsmart a fighter that's kumbaga similar level itong si Virgil Vitor and si Dong Quan Lee eh.
I think sabi ko nga sa iyo, ang integral part ng laban na to is kailangan makuha ni Dong Quan Lee ang respeto ni Virgil Vitor. Just in case pumasok si Vitor, magdadalawang isip siya, partner.
Otherwise, Virgil Vitor will really walk you down,
Yes.
you know, with his punches.
Lalo na kung mararamdaman ni Vitor na kaya niya isuntok ni Dong Quan
All
Lee.
right. Oh wow! Oh wow! That right hook by Virgil Vitor sent Dong Quan Lee to the canvas.
Sa counter left, partner. Counter left.
And Dong Quan Lee quickly recovered. Moving forward is Virgil Vitor. Oh wow! Another. Okay, that was a slip.
That was a slip, partner.
But Virel Vitor remains disciplined, partner. Look at that, no? He's not trying to give Dong Quan Lee the opportunity.
He must not made a mistake. Baka
Yes.
it will cause something. Baka yung sobrang sugod niya, ma-counter din siya, partner.
You are right.
Yeah.
But early on, pinatikim na ni Virel Vitor ang kanyang power.
Yes. Especially the early stage of the fight, talagang malakas si Virel Vitor, partner.
You are right. Virel Vitor does not need the early rounds to warm up. Oh, wow. Beautiful left hand from Virel Vitor, sending Dong Quan Lee to the canvas the second time, and he seems to be staggering.
End of the bell.
Siguro naman nakilala na natin ng buo si Vitor, isang knockout artist yan pagdating sa early rounds at diyan delikado si Naoya the Monster. Pero ang problema, brother, sa huling video natin ikaw na humusga dito, ayokong magsalita ng tapos Isa ito sa unang bakbakan ni Vitor kontra Japanese fighter. Dito natin siya mas makikilala. Kung tama ba na delikado si The Monster, ito ang real talk, panoorin natin.
Nice. Ooh. Nice. Nice. Wala down. Bantay. Yuy, grabe ba siya, boy? Nice. Ay, oh shit. Tingnan siya, boy. Makapir mo. Oh! Kuyawag, sinumbagan, eh. Nice! Patay. Uy!
Forever is the strangest thing. It's shorter than
Budi! Grabe, oh, mudig Jose Pinoy, oh. Okay. Nice. Gusto lang. Lang. Ugoy! Nice! Tuntong ka rin siya para mauna niya ang position niya. Tuntong kaayo. Pugihan kayo mga buhay o kuhan kinumo si Vitor. Body. Oh! Yun! Straight! Hindi nga nung ma-absorb yung dapat fountain niya yun. Yan. Yan, pag ganyan. Hindi niya ma-knockout pag ganyan eh. Dapat ma-fountain niya yan. Oh? Ayak mo! Ibihan mo buhay ko mo si Vitor. Ay tagili mo tagangin. Oh?
Forever is the strangest thing. It's shorter than you think. No think.
Okay lang. Body. Padsok. Sakit kayo to eh? Sakit kayo to. Yan! Nice! Oh! Another body na po. Rugby kayo din sila mo. Body ni mga kuwari. Mga puno eh. Down, yes! Yes! Down! Ang galing! Ay, nasa by the bell! Anak ng Shakoy! Woo! May lakas pa si Vitor eh. See? Oh, lamang tong kalaban eh. Buti na knockdown. Oh, nice! 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 Ah, nice! Uy! Nice! Kuski-kuski gamay mo upper dong. Na. Apoy na si Pare. Ayaw give up dong. Ayaw dong. Nice. Hindi, gamitan mong tail. Pilig lawas.
Naresolba na naman natin ang content na ito tungkol kay Vitor at The Monster at masasabi natin sobrang delikado si The Monster talaga in terms of knockout sa early, pero delikado din tayo kay The Monster pagdating sa desisyon, at ang patunay dyan, itong output na naganap bagamat lamang si Vitor sa bakbakan pero ibinigay ang split decision win sa Japanese fighter, at ito ang pinakamalaking aral sa mga boksingerong Pinoy. Pag dumayo ka ng Japan, patulugin mo na kaagad or else matatalo ka talaga ng hometown decision. Ano, tama ba ko? Mali, comment ka brother. Salamat.